So as you can see, we've got this wall. This is one part, and Gloria wants to show you how to repair this because it's broken. No, like you say, in one place we already repaired. So yeah, Gloria will show you how to repair this.
So we put this washer inside the zip tie to make it more strong. Then we start from the bottom and we pass the zip tie here. Where is it? Because there's a piece of this old.
You can remove maybe with the pliers. Like what you can do is, if you hold it like this, catch it gently and twist it.
Okay.
And then you don't have to fight.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Okay, so we put this inside. We take another washer. We put it here. Then we take another zip tie. Like this, and then we cut. Okay.
Job done, no? Look, and it's holding nicely. So we've got one more to do. So it's pretty easy and simple repair and effective, no?
Yes. Okay.
Job done. How about that? So that's how you can repair your wall of the yurt. Lovely and kind of sunny. That will be enough lessons for today now. Yeah. And Mara is working hard on painting to protect from the weather and the rain. We're waiting for the rain, so hopefully we can protect this on time. We're gonna put one more coat of paint, and soon, when it's everything ready, we're gonna put the yurt up. So stay tuned for this.